This is a little pre-war engine that my father-in-law has kind of rebuilt, and it runs very nicely. You can watch it go. Does not have a neutral. It's just strictly forward and reverse. And there's a lot of power. We'll show it to you. Yeah, watch it on the back straight now. I'll try to get it wide. Look at that. Watch, do the same on the back straight now, fast.
Oh, on the back.
Yeah, because I can get it in better in camera here. So good. Do a nice big fast one on this one. Okay. Now watch it go in reverse. Yeah, it'll go in reverse. Handle's nice. There's no neutral on this little engine. You can stop her right there. That's good. And we're trying to figure this out. We'll figure whatever this is, but it's just a nice little motor for one of the pre-war locomotives. Probably, we're guessing, either American Flyer or Line Out.